Hello, everyone. Today, we will discuss triphasic MRI of the liver, also known as dynamic contrast-enhanced MRI. This study is primarily performed for characterization of focal liver lesions. What is triphasic MRI? Triphasic MRI includes imaging in three major contrast phases: arterial phase, portal venous phase, and delayed phase. It is performed using gadolinium-based contrast. Timing of phases. After contrast injection, arterial phase 20 to 30 seconds. Portal venous phase 60 to 70 seconds. Delayed phase 3 to 5 minutes. The timing is crucial because liver lesions demonstrate dynamic enhancement patterns. Arterial phase. During this phase, hepatic arteries enhance prominently. Hepatocellular carcinoma, or HCC, typically shows arterial hyperenhancement. Hypervascular metastases may also enhance in this phase. Arterial enhancement followed by washout strongly suggests HCC. Portal venous phase. In this phase, portal vein and liver parenchyma enhance uniformly. Most metastases appear hypointense. Portal vein thrombosis is better visualized. This phase helps differentiate tumor thrombus from bland thrombus. Delayed phase. Acquired at 3 to 5 minutes post-contrast. Important for assessing washout. Fibrotic tumors, such as cholangiocarcinoma, show progressive delayed enhancement. Capsule appearance in delayed phase is a key feature of HCC. Enhancement pattern interpretation. Arterial hyperenhancement plus washout plus capsule equals HCC. Peripheral nodular enhancement with centripetal fill-in equals hemangioma. Progressive delayed enhancement equals cholangiocarcinoma. Multiple hypovascular lesions equals metastases. Clinical importance. Triphasic MRI is essential for chronic liver disease evaluation, cirrhosis surveillance, liver mass characterization, preoperative assessment, post-TACE or RFA follow-up. Additional sequences, usually combined with T1-weighted imaging, T2-weighted imaging, diffusion-weighted imaging or DWI, ADC mapping, MRCP when biliary evaluation is needed. DWI improves detection of malignant lesions. Conclusion. Triphasic MRI is considered the gold standard imaging modality for liver lesion characterization. Understanding enhancement patterns allows accurate differentiation between benign and malignant lesions. Proper protocol, accurate timing, and correct interpretation are the keys to diagnosis. Thank you.